Currently on the screen is the life of tropical cyclone Gita. This is one of two satellite views of the system. And tropical cyclone Gita is approximately 407 nautical miles east of Noumea, New Caledonia, tracking west-southwest at 8 knots. And is located near 21.8 degrees south, 173.4 degrees east. Maximum sustained winds 105, gusting 130. Welcome to another update via the Force 13's AU channel. Tropical cyclone Gita has a 55 nautical mile eye. Tropical cyclone Gita is currently tracking along the northern periphery of a deep layer steering subtropical ridge to the south, and after 24 hours she's expected to gradually turn southwestward, then southeast. Now that's a bit of a surprise, from west to southwest, then to southeast. So basically that's after 24 hours. Sea surface temperature is around 28 degrees Celsius. But there's no doubt that she is heading towards New Zealand. But the threat still remains for 3/4 of New Caledonia, and please have a look at our earlier update from this morning. Here's a look at a model and its track, EPS, Joint Typhoon Warning Center. The Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland has updated information on tropical cyclone Gita via the 3-day outlook. Hazardous surf warning remains in place for Fraser Island coast, including Sunshine and Gold Coast waters. Tropical low moving across the northwest Kimberley on Thursday, likely to develop into a tropical cyclone off the west Kimberley coast during Friday. A severe tropical cyclone impact is possible on Sunday over the East Pilbara coast or far west Kimberley coast. There's a warning in place, Kuri Bay to Pardue Roadhouse, extending to the inland west Kimberley. Cyclone watch, Pardue Roadhouse to Rim Creek, extending to the inland East Pilbara to include Marble Bar, Nanogene and another location. Intensity 55 kilometres per hour, wind gusts to 85 kilometres an hour, located 16.1 degrees south, 125.5 degrees east. Estimated to be 125 kilometres east-southeast of Kuri Bay and 240 kilometres northeast of Derby, tracking southwest 19 kilometres an hour. It's expected to strengthen into a Category 2 cyclone before taking a southward track on Saturday towards the coast and possibly making landfall as a severe Cat 3 during Sunday along the East Pilbara or far west Kimberley coast. Associated gales to 100 kilometres an hour may develop in coastal parts between Kuri Bay and Bidyananga or Denga including Broome. Apology for the pronunciation. During Friday, and gales could extend further southwest to Woodeye Downs, Pardue Roadhouse from Friday afternoon evening. And all this information is on the Western Australia's bomb warning page. Here's the latest track on the tropical low. And again, the region is to experience another tropical cyclone. And here's a look at the NOAA floaters on the tropical low, Invest 91S. We will continue to bring updated information, and there should be a update on our main channel in coming hours. However, we will have a comprehensive update in the morning. The upper level divergence, and it's up around anywhere from 20 to 30 knots, the wind shear, and the green represents a favourable area. So wind shear really not an issue. Here's the 24-hour shear tendency. The 50 millibar vorticity for the western region. A look at a couple of tracks, and tropical cyclone Gita, the 22 decibels 0 degrees south, 172 decibel 9 degrees east. And she did have a 60 nautical mile eye earlier today. Total precipitable water, the scales at the bottom of the screen, you can clearly see Gita and the developing tropical system. However, we still got a couple of months to go, especially here in the southwest Pacific. The pressure at 10 MAGL wind in knots, and Fiji might see another system within the next couple of weeks.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.